Whole heap of talk I make, but Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on. Wagwan viewers and subscribers, Jaden Chase there with the latest entertainment and dancehall news and reviews, plus trending topics, viewers and subscribers. And to the latest stories we are make headlines today, viewers and subscribers. Antigua and dancehall crowd in love with Yanique the Curvy Diva. Yanique the Curvy Diva at top over Antigua, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, and Shauna Chyn start off auditions. Yeah, Shauna Chyn look dancers for add to our on-stage performance. Definitely I take a page out of Spice book, viewers and subscribers, and all the great dancehall female icons will bring other performers on stage while they perform to make the performance that much bigger, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, Yanique the Curvy Diva, I do it. We don't see all our go on. We have a small exclusive clip so you can get a look on what go on, viewers and subscribers, and then we can talk to them about that. Yanique the Curvy Diva definitely making waves. Whole heap of talk I make, but Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, peeps, she's here. Finally. Yeah, Curvy Diva. So I have any living colors. Yeah.
Posting? Nothing. That's it. We just drinking, partying, see people dance, we going out the crowd, one, them up my cabana, everybody banana. You understand? So we just have fun. It's just about partying.
When it as you can see, viewers and subscribers, yes, whether it be hosting, whether it be appearance or an on-stage performance, yo, people like to see the Curvy Diva. I'm not joke about it. From the days of Magnum Kings and Queens, viewers and subscribers, we see say, yo, Yanique the Curvy Diva definitely have the personality, you know what I mean? And then with the work what she have done, we realize that she have the physique. Definitely a full package. You know, the eyes of entertainment, viewers and subscribers. When it comes to being an entertainer, this is how we are talking about. Whether you can be on stage or perform and people are real for your song them, or you can just make an appearance, you know what I mean? Yeah, a paid appearance. And you're there and that get the vibe of the crowd up. That get the vibe of the crowd hype, you know what I mean? Or you do your modeling. Yo, them things there, the accolades will come with stardom in the viewers and subscribers. And with the advent of social media these days, it can't happen to anybody. You know what I mean? People think Yanique the Curvy Diva was a gimmick. Because them not say, oh, what she gonna do? All she can do a host. But no, mama show them say, oh, my talent not stop this. So. Link up with Zoom them and drop a big track, the lifestyle. Written by Shauna, might add. You know what I mean? Yeah, no people ever did know that. Written by Shauna. And that really take the marketplace. People are saying, wait, Yanique the Curvy Diva that. You know what I mean? Then overseas fans see the look and them like, you know what I mean? Them like the look. Think about it. As a female entertainer, appearance is also one of the big factors where going to making you successful. And yo, Yanique the Curvy Diva definitely tick the checkbox with that. You have to admit that, viewers and subscribers. Yo, comment in the comment section if you not agree. And if you agree, definitely drop a like and comment. Yo, so at this point in time, Mama established herself. You know what I mean? And the reactions what she get when she go on road, must say, yo, and not just Jamaica acknowledge the star potential. The world acknowledge say, yo, Yanique the Curvy Diva have a place in our entertainment, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, definitely have a place in our entertainment. And we have to talk about the fact, say, yo, after Mama get her work done, we see a whole heap of other dancehall stars where even if them not say, yeah, them get some work done, we can see for ourselves. You know what I mean? Yeah, before and after photos can tell. So, you know, definitely an influencer when it comes to that too. And being open about it. You have some artists that open about it. You have some artists who are not so open about it. But, you know what I mean? Yanique the Curvy Diva definitely establish herself and leave her mark on dancehall. And I continue to push and I build a brand there. You know what I mean? Yeah, Mama say, Mama have a new song to her. She'll say, your thing, the good make she get. Things are ready, she said. You know what I mean? Yeah, she had Charlie Blackstep and Charlie Blackstep rhythm go a while to say, you don't know, say, yo, Latin America, I got hear that. And as you can see from the clip, Mama know for move herself. Mama not just want them statue, they will just stand up in the party. Mama know for keep active. So viewers and subscribers to the latest hour, go on, leave a comment in the comment section. Next, we are talking about Shauna Chyn. You know what I mean? Mama say, yo, she recruit some dancers. She want to get the thing up. She want to get the stage performance on the level where the world will recognize her craft. She definitely have the sound, so stage performance is the next key factor for any performer, not just a female or a male, anyone. You know what I mean? Stage performance are definitely a factor. You have to can do the stage work. You know what I mean? You have to own in on the stage craft. So if you're a subscribers, you're going to hear what Mama have to say. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Hey guys. So, will you spread this word for me, please, and thanks. Not gonna know what one. I need the help. All of the real fans them want to share the thing them. Want to send it to a friend, to a cousin, or an auntie, to share it and send it to give a person there. But then check it out and spread it and give your great grandmother, your grandmother, your grandmother, your ancestors. No. Now tomorrow, I want everybody to understand too that tomorrow the dance at Dance JA 22 Barbican Road, Kingston 6, in front of Ligani Burger King. Once on the nose, it's 12 o'clock, it starts sharp, 12 a.m. 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. That's how what? 12 p.m.? Oh, Jesus. Alright, it's 12 p.m. I am doing a showcase. I'm going to choose some people to go through the journey with me, going straight out, the summer time. If you have enough sense, you will know what I need you for. I need some bad dancers. I mean, even for just come showcase whatever routine that I have a long time ago. You can come, put in a selection of music and do what you have to do and perform. And let me know what kind of energy you have and what type of energy will they give me while performing on stage. I need some loyal people. Some people, I don't want nobody way, but I'm supposed to have a show tomorrow or a show, so I'm going to them have a show for somebody else and all of these things. I need you for my whole summer. That's why I'm doing this audition. Okay? And I have a surprise giveaway. And I'm going to be choosing 4 people, 4 females. And I'm going to also be choosing men. So, tell a dancer, tell a dancer, tell a dancer, tell another dancer, and tell another dancer to reach another dancer. And thing. So come through tomorrow, 12 a.m. 12 a.m. it is 12 p.m. 12 noon. You know me use noon, because I can't bother. 12 noon it starts at 22 Barbican Road. 22 Barbican Road. Tomorrow audition start. So, I want you to spread the word, tell a friend, and tell a friend to tell a friend. See you there tomorrow. Mwah.
Yeah, viewers and subscribers, Shauna Chyn. Mama say you're not just female dancers but also male dancers, so we can definitely look to see the on-stage performance that much better. It will be a live dancehall show on stage when they say Mama. She said she want them for tour. This is not just for a music video. Yeah, she add dancers to our team, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, I would have tracked them, I would have verse that would hear say slated for drop with 6 bars. We already the road that anticipates say yo, Shauna Chyn are one of the latest members at the 6. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? Some people that say yo, maybe just a relationship, maybe squash and Shauna Chyn a link. Regardless of that, we know some music I put in. We see we're going with Cardi B and Offset. Them a link, but what music I do same way. So this is still something big for our musical career. Same way, viewers and subscribers. But like the energy your mama put in. Now we are talking about Shauna Chyn. I will not just mention Gully Bop name. So mama definitely transition from that point in her career where she was just gully bop girlfriend. And gully bop did have the highlight. Now, she do her own thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, the physique up, the look up. You know what I mean? Yeah, and as I said, that a key factor has been a female entertainer. And now mama add the dance of them to her thing. Yo, the thing will work. We see her overseas. We see her show them a forward in. We see her fly out frequently. Thing I work. Hey, thing I work, girl. Go on, do. You know the something go. You know what I mean? So viewers and subscribers, the latest news is now go on. Stay tuned to the channel for more. So what if you do, click the subscribe icon right now, click the bell icon, leave a comment in the comment section, man. Leave a like on the vlog. If you like what you hear about, share, you know the something go. Remember, man. So until the reason again, viewers and subscribers. Yo, out move settings, live, love and prosper. And I'm out.